Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. This is out of a CT4-V Blackwing. You do not need any tools. I do think a little screwdriver is helpful, but it's not mandatory. But you do need one of these replacement batteries. This takes one of these 2450s. You can get these off Amazon. They're really inexpensive. There's a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. All right, so what you want to do first is remove this. Press this button, pull that out. Then take this and insert it right in this slot. Firmly, this piece is going to kind of pop up. All right, so that's coming out. That could pop out, so be careful about that. All right, peel this back. You can use your fingernail if you have one to pull that. I'm just going to use this little screwdriver here. Pull that out. Take out your old battery. Your new battery goes in positive side facing up. Squeeze that. Put this end in first. Give that a good squeeze, put that back in, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.